Hi, good afternoon, viewers. Thank you so much for continuing to support my channel. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. And today, I just wanted to talk about building. Oh my goodness. This is one of the most challenging things I believe I've done. It is so hectic, but it is really worth it at the end. So I want to show you progress of what I've been doing behind the scenes. I just want to talk about building. I think from the lessons that I've learned from this process, I believe buying materials, I believe when you are building with a small budget, I think the best thing to do is buy materials first. I think the first time I bought stones. I used to go to a place where they make bricks, and I pay, let's say, around 100, and then I get a receipt, and then I save again. I go pay for another 100, and that is how I have managed to start the foundation. And then secondly, I bought sand, two types of sand. I'll show you. One lorry I was buying at 8,000, and another one I was buying at 7,500. So I think the best thing you can do when you're starting, please buy materials first. We use a lot of money, we waste a lot of money, but at the end it's really good to save a little bit and buy buy materials in bits, so that when you start building now, it is going to be very easy for you. So for now, I've bought some materials, and I have sand, I have cement. With cement, I was buying at 730 shillings from a Muhindi shop, from an Indian shop. Yeah, it was a bit cheaper than other shops. So I bought like 10 bags of cement, and then two lorries of sand, and then I bought like 500 stones. And let me show you the progress. Yeah, so this is the site. This is where the work is being done. I have started doing one side. This is how it looks like. Yeah, it's a small 2-bedroom, and then yeah, this is how far I have gone. So it's just a matter of building slowly. I don't have any pressure. Of course, I have a little bit of pressure because of the rent and all that, but I decided to start and see how far I can go. Yeah, so this is how it looks like. Yeah, so that is how far I've gone. So guys, wish me luck. I'll be showing you progress as we move. Yeah, so this is where this is the construction site. This is what they are doing, mixing sand and cement. Okay, let me show you the sand. So you have to buy like two types. The softer one, the one that they're mixing with the cement. This is the one. Yeah, that is the one. That is the one. And then this is the other one. They were doing koroga. They call it koroga. Yeah, this is the sand they use to do koroga. And then another tip, if you don't have like water throughout, so you make something like this to store water. Okay, yeah, so this is where I'm storing my water. Yeah, So you need to have like enough water, yeah, because you can spend a lot of money buying water. So guys, it's a worthy project. Yeah, don't be afraid to start. Just start somewhere, okay? Yeah, I'm never afraid to do anything. So just try to do something, and it's all worthy at the end. Huh? It's a very hectic journey though. Trust me, it's very hectic. You don't even sleep. You have to like cook for the workers. You have to be there to supervise the work. Yeah, it's really a worthy journey, but you know, we will get there. So this is the progress. Yeah, so just hopefully soon we'll start again. We'll continue doing the work. Okay. Yeah, so guys, wish me luck, and thank you for subscribing. Thank you so much for continuing to support me. And if you have any questions about building, yeah, let me know. I might have one tip or two tips to share. Yeah, okay. So I'm learning as I go. There's a lot of things that I didn't know when I started, but right now I feel I'm kinda learning as I move. Thank you so much for continuing to support me. I'll show you the progress. Yeah, thank you so much, guys. I love you all.